Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily challenge. That is, function, getRepeatedString. Here the function, getRepeatedString, takes an input string str and dynamically allocates memory to create a new string. It duplicates each character of the input string once and forms a new string by appending these duplicated characters consecutively. The resulting string is properly terminated with a null character and returned as a dynamically allocated memory block. It ensures that for each character in the input string, that character is repeated once in the output string. This function is designed to solve a specific problem where each character in the input string needs to be repeated exactly one time in the resulting string. It's important to note that memory allocated with malloc should be freed using free after its usage to prevent memory leaks. Alright, everyone, before we wrap up, let's inject a bit of fun into our coding journey today. Imagine this: if life had a code that you could tweak, what feature would you add? If you could program one feature into your life, what would it be? A sleep-in button for Mondays or an instant learn mode for new skills? Or maybe something completely out of the box? Share your wild and wacky ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.